Welcome to our daily New England bird report from the beautiful state of Rhode Island here in 2023. And today we were getting ready to put out the bird feeders and left them on the ground for just a few minutes. And this is some of the footage that we captured with the birds being quite hungry. So this is what happens when the bird food is grounded. This is the dark-eyed junco. A male cardinal. Another junco. Black-capped chickadee. And another cute junco. Juncos are ground birds. They usually find their food on the ground, so they were really happy today. That might have been a Carolina wren or a Lincoln sparrow. Tufted titmouse, plenty of those around. Here's our Downy male woodpecker. There's the female Downy in the background. A little bit of few kerfuffles. A lot of competition for this food. You see them chasing each other away. He looks definitely fattened up, ready for winter. There's a nuthatch with a feather displaced. The cardinal's checking out maybe his reflection in the camera lens. It was beginning to snow. You see these two female downies going at it with each other, contending for the food. thanks for watching. Hope you're staying safe and taking time to relax and enjoy nature, taking time to take care of yourself and be kind to yourself and kind to others. Thanks for watching.